What you do echoes in this light, beyond the mountains in the sky. Light up the world, a flash of light, like shooting stars up in the night. We chase after life, but we don't realize that we don't have much time in between. Therefore, what you leave behind is what truly defines you. So give them your heart right before you leave. And oh, your name in lights, keep it alive, don't let it fade away. And oh, give me a moment before I go, to leave my love before I say goodbye. No one said that it would be easy. Don't have 3 wishes from a genie. Give them a beautiful surprise. Don't you go down without a fight. This world don't come free, got no choice but to be me. I'll take what I need till my dreams come true. And I've got my dean, got the strength that I need. And with God I believe that I won't lose. And oh, your name in lights, keep it alive, don't let it fade away. And oh, give me a moment before I go, to leave my love before I say goodbye. And oh, your name in lights, keep it alive, don't let it fade away. And oh, give me a moment before I go, to leave my love before I say goodbye. I walked across an empty land. I knew the pathway like the back of my hand. I felt the earth beneath my feet, sat by the river and it made me complete. Oh, simple thing, where have you gone? I'm getting old and I need something to rely on. So tell me when you're gonna let me in. I'm getting tired and I need somewhere to begin. I came across a fallen tree. I felt the branches of it looking at me. Is this the place we used to love? Is this the place that I've been dreaming of? Oh, simple thing, where have you gone? I'm getting old and I need something to rely on. So tell me when you're gonna let me in. I'm getting tired and I need somewhere to begin. And if you have a minute, why don't we go talk about it somewhere only we know. This can be the end of everything, so why don't we go somewhere only we know. Somewhere only we know. A simple thing, where have you gone? I'm getting old and I need something to rely on. So tell me when you're gonna let me in. I'm getting tired and I need somewhere to begin. And if you have a minute, why don't we go talk about Somewhere only we know. This could be the end of everything. So why don't we go? So why don't we go? Of everything, so why don't we go somewhere only we know? Somewhere only we know. Somewhere only we know.
Maybe it's the way you say my name. Maybe it's the way you play your game. But it's so good I've never known anybody like you. But it's so good, I've never dreamed of nobody like you. And I've heard of a love that comes once in a lifetime, and I'm pretty sure that you are that love of mine. 'Cause I'm in a field of dandelions, wishing on everyone that you'll be mine, mine. And I see forever in your eyes. I feel okay when I see you smile, smile. Wishing on dandelions all of the time, praying to God that one day you'll be mine. Wishing on dandelions all of the time, all of the time. I think that you are the one for me, 'cause it gets so hard to breathe when you're looking at me. I've never felt so alive and free. When you're looking at me, I've never felt so happy. And I've heard of a love that comes once in a lifetime, and I'm pretty sure that you are that love of mine. 'Cause I'm in a field of dandelions, wishing on everyone that you'll be mine, mine. And I see forever in your eyes. I feel okay when I see you smile, smile. Wishing on dandelions all of the time, praying to God that one day you'll be mine. Wishing on dandelions, dandelions. Dandelion, into the wind you go. Won't you let my darling know? Dandelion, into the wind you go. Won't you let my darling know that I'm in a field of dandelions, wishing on everyone that you'll be mine. And I see forever in your eyes. I feel okay when I see you smile. Wishing on dandelions all of the time, praying to God that one day you'll be mine. Wishing on dandelions all of the time, all of the time. I'm in a field of dandelions, wishing on everyone that you'll be mine, mine.
I'm a writer, provider, to the boy, I'm bringing fire. And my name keeps going walk rider, and I come in just side to side. Side to side. I'm a writer, provider, to the boy, I'm bringing fire. And my name keeps going walk rider, and I come in just side to side. Side to side.
They call me Ramzan.
I'm a writer,